Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Idioms 495. The idiom today is to make a splash. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. If someone or something makes a splash, he, she, or it attracts a lot of attention, especially by doing something skillfully and usually successfully. The word splash first seemed to appear around the early 1800s as a variation of the word plash. The word plash was an onomatopoeia. Remember, that's when a word is spelled out from the sound it makes, just like we sometimes talked about the buzz of a bee, because a bee sounds like buzz, buzz, so it's spelled that way. So plash is the sound of like something hitting water or water hitting the ground. A copy of what it sounds like when something heavy hits the water, or the sound of water or liquid hitting anything, makes a plash. Okay. The phrase make a splash alludes to the idea if someone dives into water or something large falls in water, the water will spray upwards, okay, and make a loud sound. Thus, of course, this will attract a lot of attention. All right. And we got 4 examples to show just how we use it. Here's the first one. He made a splash with the very first film he starred in. So maybe he got very good reviews right away, got noticed right away, so he made a splash right away. Number 2, that big box office movie failed to make a splash. Sometimes we can use it this way. We can say something failed to make a splash when it was expected to make a splash, and appears to be a box office flop, flop meaning failure. All right, number 3, she made a splash with her controversial comments. Yeah, it's not always very positive. Sometimes it could be about something negative, but still attracts a lot of attention. Number 4, she made a splash during her audition for American Idol. Yeah, maybe she had such a fantastic one, she got noticed immediately. She got attention immediately. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.